All right, here's the moment. At this point, I've seen the author copy, and I got to see this pre-advanced copy with my family, which was really special. But now I have an entire box here that I'm going to open because I've got these envelopes, and it's getting very real that I have an entire shipment now of the books because so many of you have already ordered them, which is wild. I am so grateful that many of you have already caught the vision of gifting this to your own teachers that you've had, or to teachers of your kids, or anyone of your colleagues if you already are a teacher, because that is really the goal, is to be able to share the stories of the over 40 educators that provided their own journeys in education to be able to inform this book. There is a little bit of my personal story in here as well, but the ultimate goal is to inspire and to motivate teachers everywhere to stay, and school leaders to help lead them well. And so here we go, we're gonna open them. Oh my gosh. This feels wild and very surreal. So here we go. And I got paper. Oh my goodness. All right, there it is. I got plenty of books for you all. These are specific to signed author copies that people are ordering directly from me. But of course, you can already get it on Amazon. And we just really appreciate you sharing this so that this book can get out into educators' hands everywhere, especially even pre-service teachers or veteran teachers. It's for all different types of educators and school leaders, and then anyone who helps lead their industry, because there really are universal takeaways to all workplaces on employee retention. Thank you everyone for helping share Teacherverance.